Okay, now Debbie is going to show how she put this centerpiece together.
Super easy. So I had a bunch of extra little branches, and here I have one already done. So I just stick this in here. It's lit up now. And
then where did you get the little balls that are lighting up?
Those came from the dollar store, Dollar Tree.
Oh, Dollar Tree. Oh, I never saw those at all. They're so cute.
So now I'm just gonna, so I curl them like in a round section. Stick it there. Stick this in. Simple as that. And then to fill in this little spot, I just shove this in there. Just like that.
Didn't she do an awesome job?
And then I just came around and with my little bows that I got from Amazon. I don't know, they were pretty cheap for 100 of them. So I'm just sticking them in the areas here. And they just lay them in there, no big deal. How many do I got left? And then this one I used the 2. So that's kind of like my front, I guess you could say. And then I had some left over of these little balls, so I just kind of stuck them down inside there. And kind of just made a little festive.
I think it turned out really cute.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to put these in there, but I just thought they were, might as well use them up. They're extra. And you don't have to put them all in there. And that was it. And then this top is just, this is actually for a candle. And I just stuck it on top of here just to make it look a little festive.
Oh, I think it turned out really cute. And it fit perfect on there, didn't it?
Mm-hmm, yeah. I was gonna put something down inside there, but I was like, no, that's okay, because it looks like, you know, it's the wood, so it's like woodsy looking, so.
I think you can put too much sometimes.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go get another angle of this so you can see how pretty the candles are gonna look next to it. Doesn't it look beautiful now? All a beautiful centerpiece. It looks just beautiful. I can't believe how pretty. And then the tree over there. Looks like we're ready for Christmas, doesn't it? Thank you, Debbie, for sharing such a beautiful centerpiece with us. And how long did that take you to do? 5 minutes?
Like 5 minutes. So simple. And it looks festive, and that would be nice for your Christmas dinner table.
Yeah, and the best part of all that isn't too tall.
Yeah, so you can still see around it and talk to people on the other side.
And if you wanted to move it over, you could put it in any little nook in the cozy corner. Would fit great at my house in the cozy corner.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for all coming and stopping by and seeing what I put together, and come back. We're going to have a special Christmas little video, so come back soon and see that. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We love you all.